Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I have this smoky eye look prepared for you. I hope you like it and enjoy it. And yes, let's get started. Okay, enjoy! I already did my brows and now it's time to make the eye look. I prefer to do it before I put my base on because of the black eyeshadow. If I have fallouts, then yes, I can start over again with the base, because black and getting rid of it when there is fallout, it's almost impossible and you got a gray blob underneath your eye and that's not what we want. So yeah, let's get started with the eyes. For the eyes, I'm using the Tati Beauty palette. This is one of the favorites on this moment. It got nice mattes, a matte with a little shimmer in it, metallics and a real good glitter. First, I'm going in with the P.Louise base. And blend that out. First I'm going to set my eye with Aura, the matte color of Aura, and just put that all over the eyelid. So now it's set and I'm going in with the metallic color of Aura just on the inner portion of the eye, and I'm going to use a flat brush for that. Tap it off a little and place it on the inner part, and it doesn't matter that it's pretty far. I'm going to take the Makeup Studio cream eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to get a eyeliner brush, take something on with a good loaded brush. We're just going to make a line. I'm just getting my little mirror now. And it doesn't have to be very precise or neat. Just put something on and just buff it out. I'm just going to pick up some black, tap it off real good, and I'm going to set this part. Then I'm going to take a little blending brush and I pick up Ritual. It's the brown color. The brown matte color. And I'm going on top of that line from the black. And don't worry, we're going in back with the black to intensify that. I'm going in with the color Soothe. Just with the same blending brush. Okay, then we're going in with the brown metallic, the Ritual metallic, and going on top of that a little bit of the light color Aura. So then I'm going back in with the black. Then we've got the eyeliner. So with the point in the inner corner, we elongate the eyes. Yes, let's finish up the other eye. We're not done yet because we're going to use the MAC Smolder liner, and I'm going to use it in the upper waterline and the lower waterline. So just like this, wiggle it between your lashes. You're good. So we're getting there. It's already that much smokier. We still need to smoke out the under eye with some eyeshadow, but first I'm going to do the base. This is the base and everything what's coming with that. So let's get further with the eyes. We did everything on top but not below, so let's move on to the under eye part. We take black on a little smaller brush and just place that carefully next to the waterline and a little bit upwards to the eyeliner that we put there. Okay, be careful. So now we have the black, and then we pick up the dark brown. Blend it out on top of the black. Then I'm going to pick up Soothe and put that underneath the eye as well, just to blend out further. Just go on top of the black and the brown. Then I'm going to take a little or medium blending brush, and I'm picking up Aura and just go slightly underneath. Sometimes you find pieces and you think, no, that can be better. So that's what I'm doing now, correcting my blending over here. For the mascara, we're using the Roller Lash by Benefit. It's time for lashes, yes. I am going to use, and they're new, the AVA Lashes by Queen Tarzi. So the lashes are on, and that leaves us with the lips. Yeah. And what are we going to do with them? I was thinking of a red color. I found the red by Colourpop and a name I can't pronounce. So it's the Ultra Matte Lip. I'm not fond of matte lipsticks that much anymore, so I'm going to put a lip gloss on top of it. So, but first, red. It's really matte and it's really a dry lipstick. I can feel it drying on my lips, and that's not the sort of thing I like in a lipstick. So it's not a lipstick that I wear that often, only in combination with a lip gloss, so it doesn't suck the life out of my lips, you know what I mean. For the lip gloss, we're going to use the Filler Instinct by NYX. It's one of my favorites. Now I'm not going to use the applicator because I don't like applicators with color on them from the color that you used underneath it. I'm going in with the applicator and I put something on the back of my hands. And then going in with the swab and divide it on top of my lip. A nice shiny red lip, a smoky eye look with lashes to die for, and a beautiful but soft highlights, and that leaves us with the setting spray, and I'm using the Dewy Finish Spray by NYX, and I'm just going to This was the smoky eye look for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, just give it a thumbs up. That will help my channel very much. I will leave every product down below in the description box so you can see what I used. Everything that I use I bought myself and nothing is sponsored over here. So yeah, if you like to have a notification about a new video, just hit the notification bell and it's all good. And thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!
My heart is where you are. I still think